Hey, it is Victoria. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all how to lighten your elbows. I think this is the most question I get, or the question that I get most in my DMs is how to lighten the lips and how to lighten the elbows. And I'd answered you guys before, but the truth is I always felt like I'm not really sure how to answer that question because I don't have dark elbows. So I thought. I never look at myself like this in the mirror. I looked back on this video and took a look at my elbows, and my elbows are actually very dark. I was like, oh shoot, okay. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, so I'm gonna make this a very quick situation. I'm gonna film how I do this, and it's just gonna be that. It was not like that, guys. Nothing was working for the elbows. When I tell you nothing was working, I mean nothing. So let me show you guys what actually did work. I basically had to combine all of my brightening DIYs from the past to make this one thing work. Let me show you what I did. Guys, so first let me just show you our starting point. This is actually like day 3 really of me starting the process, and nothing was really happening, so I decided to add a few ingredients and a few steps to what's coming up next. So this is our starting point at day 3, and then so I made the mousse. And the mousse you guys saw in a previous video from my underarms, but you use a lemon, which is very, very brightening. It's high in limonene. And then you take some heavy whipping cream, and you want to use 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream, like I told you guys, that this has been my game changer for brightening, I'm telling you. It's the lactic acid in it. And then you want to use Manuka honey. Manuka honey is really thick, so when you are pouring your tablespoon of this in, you're going to have to use your finger to get it out. Then you want to use turmeric, which is also great for lightening and brightening, and then just a tablespoon of that. And then after that, this is you want to use baking soda. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and it starts to fizzle up like a little science project. And then brown sugar. Brown sugar I decided to add because it created more of an exfoliant for me, and I felt like that would help me to get the dead skin off, because it was really hard to lighten this area on me, and I'm thinking it was probably just from me kind of neglecting that area and not really paying much attention to it, because I exfoliate every day, but I don't think I was spending enough time on my elbows. So I'm blending here all of these super brightening ingredients, and then I'm just going to use this directly on my elbows along with some other steps that I'm going to show you guys as well. And you can also add more sugar if you'd like for more exfoliant, and you can store this and save it for later. This is about day 6. And I just want to show you guys the process and everything that I was doing. So after I put this on my elbows, I would rub it in for about maybe 2 minutes or so, maybe just a little less, and I would leave it on. I told my son I was recording, he just didn't care. But anyway, so this is another day. Like I said, you want to leave it on and let it dry, and once it dries, you can rub it off. I'm wearing gloves here because I got my nails done, y'all. Turmeric will stain your nails. Next, I'm using a lemon. Lemon is fantastic. I wouldn't suggest this on your face, but it's fantastic for brightening. So I'm using just plain lemon directly onto my skin. This is going to be very powerful. And then after I used the lemon, I used my Papaya brightening scrub, which has lots of amazing brightening ingredients in it, including papaya, obviously, cranberry, Celtic Sea Salt, as well as lemon, coconut oil, all of that combined. So I did this in the shower every day in addition to what I was already doing. This is doing really good. Like, hopefully, we'll see. All right, so that was everything that I did for the past 17 days. So today would make the 17th day, actually. And so this is what we're looking like now. And maybe I should stand up so you guys can see. Hold on, I'm gonna take this into the bathroom because I can do a side by side and show you guys what it looks like. Hold on. Okay, so my bathroom is a mess, whatever. Okay, don't judge me. This is where we are. This is what we're looking like right now. So it's not that bad. I feel like it looks a lot better. And I'll do a side by side. I'm holding it up like that because my elbow kind of folds over for some reason. Maybe it's fat, but whatever. So this is what we're looking like now. I'm gonna try to do a side by side. Let me scoot back so we can do a side by side. So that is where we are. This is both. And so yeah, so hopefully I could do a true side by side so you guys can see how much is lightened. And I'm gonna keep up with this because I wanted to, I know that I can't get it all to be the same shade. I wouldn't even want that because it wouldn't even look, it would look weird. But you know, I just wanted to get it a little bit lighter, like in these darker areas right here. Like, it looks pretty good though. Maybe I'm happy with it. Maybe I am happy with it. So yeah, so that's where we are. I feel pretty good about it. Like, I haven't seen the before picture. You know, I haven't to compare it, but I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm still gonna keep up with it, probably do it for a few more weeks or whatever, but definitely make it a part of my routine. Another thing to add on to my routine. I have so many freaking routines. Like this area right here, for instance, like, this is, I learned, was eczema, so it darkens right here. I'm telling you guys, like, I get dark in the weirdest places. So, but this turned out to be eczema, and the way to get rid of this, they had prescribed me something from the dermatologist, but I was using just plain Manuka honey, and it was working really well in this area, but I just don't have time. So that's something, that's another routine that I have to do. But I just wanted to share with you guys my progress and what we did with our elbow. So hopefully if you're having this issue, obviously that you try it. Oh, and I have a giveaway for you guys. I want to give away a papaya brightening scrub. All you have to do is like this video, share it with a friend in the comment section, type I want that, and I will randomly select a winner, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.